Hi guys, I'm Yelda. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to installing air ducts for my Audi A4 B9, and these air ducts are from the RS7 and the RS6 C8, and all of these air ducts are going to fit on all of the A4, S4, RS4 A5, S5, RS5 B9, and it's also going to fit some SUVs like the Q5, SQ5 B9, and the newest Q8, SQ8, RSQ8. And before that, let me take you have a look. And by the way, if you haven't checked the last video, go check it out. I installed this Recaro Polo Position FIA seats on my car, and after I driving this for a week, it feels really better. This seat definitely has less movement than the stock one, and also I'm glad I chose this option with this Alcantara and this gray color because it looks exactly the same to my OEM interior. So it's really matches up. What do you guys think? And these seats are much softer than the stock one. Maybe because this Alcantara. The only problem is you don't get support at the neck here, so you may be better to put something here if you are driving a long way. Everything else are pretty good. Let me take you have the look the air duct right now. So as you can see, all of these are the air ducts for the car, and all of them are for the front brakes, and this for the left side and this for the right side. And I'm going to show you later how to install them properly. Right now, let's get started the work. Now this is the driver's side. Let's start the work. And as you can see, this lower arm is for this bigger piece. You can see here has a two shape, is for here, for this piece, and then this one is for here to hold them down. Let's put them on, then you will know how to put it. Now as you can see, this piece is done. It's pretty tight, and there is another one. This upper piece is installed to this place. As you can see, here has a hook, and the same to here. Here also has a hook, so you just line them down together, and then it will be hooked up. So as you can see, this upper piece is also hooked up. So right now we just need to take all of these extra trims out, and then it is all done. The extra trim was out, it is all done. It is super tight. As you can see, when you're driving at high speed, all of the air will come through here, and then will go through to brakes and cooling down the brakes. So this is how to installing all of these air ducts for your brake system. I think all of these air brake ducts will be helping a lot on the high speed or when your brake is really hot. And let me see how it goes on the track. How do you guys think these small parts for your car? Please let me know in the comments below. And all of these parts are OEM parts. I will put all of the parts number in the description below. You can just get from your local dealer. And here I really appreciate to Audi Victoria to help me getting all of these parts, because at the beginning I don't know what the parts number. I just know these parts are existing, so they help me to find them and get them in just a week. I got them a couple months ago, but I don't got time to install it, and recently I have time, so I just installed it to my car, and I cannot wait for the track days. This will be end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video.